Hello everyone, welcome to the English channel Pass with Flying Colors with Anjani ma'am. As you all know, up to now we have covered two parts of speech, noun and articles. Besides that, we have also covered worksheet on articles. In this lecture, we will cover the topic adjectives. We all know very well in Hindi these are called विशेषण. विशेषण जिस तरह से संज्ञा या सर्वनाम की विशेषता बताते हैं, इन द सेम वे एडजेक्टिव्स आर द वर्ड्स दैट डिस्क्राइब द क्वालिटीज और स्टेट ऑफ बीइंग ऑफ नाउन्स. इसका मतलब एडजेक्टिव्स आर द वर्ड्स दैट क्वालिफाई अ नाउन और प्रनाउन. कोई भी नाउन या प्रनाउन कैसा है, उसकी क्वांटिटी कितनी है, क्वालिटी कितनी है, नंबर्स में वो कितना है, ये सब हमें एडजेक्टिव से पता चलता है. देयर इज़ वन माइन्यूट डिफरेंस बिटवीन द एडजेक्टिव एंड द एडवर्ब, दैट इज़ एडजेक्टिव्स डू नॉट मॉडिफाई वर्ब, एडवर्ब और अदर एडजेक्टिव्स. It means adjectives only define nouns. They cannot define a verb, adverb or other adjectives. This is the work of an adverb to describe verb or other adjectives or itself adverb. So जब भी आपको adjectives का टॉपिक करना है, you should remember the definition of adjectives. Adjectives can only qualify nouns. Adverbs can qualify verb, adverb or an adjectives. This is the basic difference between adjective and adverb. Let's see how you will recognize whether the word is an adjective or an adverb. There is the simple formula of that. Noun plus ly is equal to adjective. Adjective plus ly is equal to adverb. Let's see how it is. Like here the word is hard. Hard means hard जो है किसी भी noun की विशेषता बताता है. Like cover of this book is hard. Book के cover की विशेषता है कि वो hard है. It means we are talking here about adjective that is hard. Plus ly it becomes hardly. And adjective plus ly we have discussed. Adjective plus ly is equal to adverb. It means hardly here is an adverb. Father plus ly, father is noun because we know the definition of noun. Noun is the name of person, place, animal or thing. यानी ये noun हो गया. Noun plus ly we have discussed. Noun plus ly is equal to adjective. So father plus ly becomes fatherly. Fatherly is an adjective. This is the difference how you will recognize whether the word is an adjective or an adverb. Fatherly here is noun plus ly, so adjective. Hardly here is adjective plus ly and adjective plus ly becomes adverb. So hardly is an adverb, fatherly is an adjective. ये तो था एडजेक्टिव की डेफिनेशन, यानी विशेषण जिस तरह से हिंदी में है, इन द सेम वे वी हैव एडजेक्टिव. नाउ we should know what are the types of adjectives. Adjectives के कितने प्रकार हैं, कैसे पता चलेगा सेंटेंस में whether we are talking about the quality of a noun, quantity of a noun or the numbers of the noun. So first type of adjective is adjective of quality. Quality का मतलब क्या है? What kind of noun is? We should ask the question what kind of noun is here. Like if we say there are black shoes. What kind of shoes are black? So जो black word है यहाँ पर, black is an adjective of quality. What kind of shirt? Shirt is yellow. It means yellow is an adjective of quality. We ask the question what kind of noun? Noun here is shirt. What kind of noun is yellow? Yellow is the adjective of quality. So this is the simple formula. If you want to know what kind of adjective here is used, we have used black, and black is adjective of quality because it gives the answer what kind of shoes, black. Second type, adjective of quantity. It gives the answer how much noun is. इसका मतलब जो क्वांटिटी है, क्वांटिटी के बारे में, डिग्री के बारे में, एक्सटेंट के बारे में बताएगा. लाइक प्लेंटी ऑफ मिल्क, हाउ मच मिल्क, हाउ मच नाउन यानी मिल्क जो है नाउन है, हाउ मच मिल्क इज देयर, प्लेंटी ऑफ. प्लेंटी ऑफ क्या है? एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. हाउ मच क्लास, वी कांट से हाउ मच क्लास, बट सिंपल है होल क्लास. कितनी क्लास है? डिग्री, डिग्री के बारे में दे रहा है, ये क्वांटिटी का आंसर है, ये डिग्री के बारे में बता रहा है, होल क्लास. होल इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. एग्स, इनफ एग्स, eggs, how much eggs? Enough. If we say how much eggs, we are doing it wrongly because eggs जो है डिफरेंस क्या है क्वांटिटी में और नंबर्स में. मैंने आपको पहले भी बताया था नाउन के टॉपिक में नंबर्स का मतलब वी कैन काउंट, क्वांटिटी का मतलब वी कैन नॉट काउंट. यहाँ पर हम एग्स को काउंट कर सकते हैं. दैट्स वाई इनफ एग्स, इनफ जो होगा नंबर्स में चला जाएगा. बिकॉज अगर नाउन जो है नंबर्स वाला नाउन है तो नंबर्स वाला एडजेक्टिव बन जाएगा, और अगर क्वांटिटी वाला नाउन है तो क्वांटिटी वाला एडजेक्टिव हमें यूज़ करना होगा. इसका मतलब जो इनफ है एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी भी हो सकता है, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर्स भी हो सकता है. डिपेंड करता है इनफ के बाद जो नाउन है वो क्वांटिटी वाला है या फिर नंबर्स वाला. एग्स नंबर्स वाला है क्योंकि, तो जो इनफ है एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर बन जाएगा. और अगर एग्स की जगह हम यहाँ पर लगा देते मिल्क, इनफ मिल्क, मिल्क जो है वो नाउन कौन सा है, क्वांटिटी वाला. वी कैन नॉट से हाउ मैनी, वो नंबर का होगा. वी विल से हाउ मच मिल्क इज enough milk. So enough can be adjective of quantity as well as adjective of numbers. It depends after enough what kind of noun we are using. Now let's see intelligent boy. It means he is an intelligent boy. Boy जो है noun है. What kind of boy is intelligent? It's giving the answer. What kind of noun is? That's why adjective of quality यहाँ पर क्या होगा, intelligent. Much sugar. शुगर जो है हाउ मच शुगर इज देयर, हाउ मच का आंसर कौन देगा, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. मच शुगर, मच जो हो जाएगा एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी होगा. सिली गर्ल, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ गर्ल इज सिली, एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी बिकॉज उसने आंसर दिया व्हाट काइंड ऑफ नाउन इज. मैनी बॉयज, अब हम बॉयज जो है नंबर्स हैं 1 2 3, इनकी क्वांटिटी नहीं है तो हमारा क्वेश्चन क्या होगा, हाउ मैनी बॉयज, यानी काउंटिंग से रिलेटेड है तो जो मैनी है एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर्स हो जाएगा. लाइक जो एग्स था ये नंबर्स का था तो जो इनफ था एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर्स था. लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल ऑफ थर्ड टाइप ऑफ एडजेक्टिव. थर्ड टाइप ऑफ एडजेक्टिव इज एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर. इट विल आंसर द क्वेश्चन हाउ मैनी नाउन. क्वांटिटी में आंसर दिया हाउ मच नाउन इज, क्वालिटी में दिया व्हाट काइंड ऑफ नाउन इज, नंबर में देगा हाउ मैनी नाउन. एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर्स कैन बी ऑफ टू टाइप्स. फर्स्ट इज कार्डिनल एडजेक्टिव्स, सेकेंड इज ऑर्डिनल एडजेक्टिव्स. कार्डिनल एडजेक्टिव मीन्स काउंटिंग 1 2 3 यानी 1 boy 2 boys 3 boys. Ordinal adjective means orders like the first, the second, the third, the fifth, the sixth. Let's see the examples of different 3 kinds of adjectives in the following sentences. First sentence is he was the first to come. यहाँ पर है हम ऑर्डर को शो कर रहा है द फर्स्ट, दैट्स वाई द फर्स्ट बिकम्स द ऑर्डिनल एडजेक्टिव ऑफ नंबर. Second sentence, there are enough eggs in the basket. How many eggs in the basket? Enough. It means egg ने आंसर, enough ने आंसर दिया how many eggs, और how many का जो आंसर देगा वो adjective of numbers होगा. Enough is an adjective of numbers. Third is a few boys were present. How many boys were present? A few. That means a few is an adjective of numbers. Fourth, some students were participating. How many students were participating? Some. Some ने आंसर किया how many का, how many noun यानी how many students, that's why some becomes adjective of numbers. Fifth sentence, some sugar was dissolved. How much sugar was dissolved? Some ने आंसर किया how much sugar का, some becomes adjective of quantity. Much cake was eaten. How much cake was eaten? Much ने आंसर किया how much का, quantity का adjective है. There was a little milk in the pot. How much milk? That's why a little becomes adjective of quantity. Ben is an adorable baby. What kind of baby is Ben? Adorable baby. That's why जो what kind of का आंसर दिया adorable ने दिया, it becomes adjective of quality. Ninth is she wore an expensive dress. What kind of dress? An expensive. Expensive becomes adjective of quality. 10th is this cup has less sugar. How much sugar? Less sugar. It becomes adjective of quantity. The rotten eggs smell bad. How what kind of eggs? Rotten. It becomes adjective of quality. Bad becomes adjective of quality. 12th, he felt a sharp pain in his arm. What kind of pain? Sharp pain. Sharp becomes an adjective of quality. So we have seen up to now, we discussed 3 types, and with these examples all these 3 types are cleared. I hope you have understood well. Let's discuss the third type of adjective. Next, 4th type of adjective is demonstrative adjective. As the name suggests, demonstration का क्या मतलब होता है? प्रदर्शन, point out करना. It points out noun, whether the noun is qualitative, quantitative, adjective of number है, जो भी है, that shows the demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjective की पहचान: this, that, these, those. Like this is a beautiful dress. This is a demonstrative adjective because it is pointing towards the what kind of dress is a beautiful dress. That building is stronger than this hut. Here the that word is demonstrative adjective because it is pointing towards the difference of the building with the hut. It means that building is stronger than this hut. Third is these mangoes are rotten. What kind of mangoes are there? Rotten mangoes. Mangoes, it means जो mangoes की तरफ point out कर रहा है वो these word है. These is a demonstrative adjective. Fourth is those people were mean to her. What kind of people were they? Mean people. Those is pointing towards the nature of the people. That's why those is demonstrative adjective. In this, that, these, those जो है इनमें difference क्या है? दिस जो है इंडिकेट करता है पास की चीज़ों को, दैट दूर की चीज़ों को. दिस इज फॉर सिंगुलर नाउन, दैट इज ऑल्सो फॉर सिंगुलर नाउन. दीज प्लूरल नाउन के लिए, दोज प्लूरल नाउन के लिए. बट द डिफरेंस इज दैट दीज जो है पास के नाउन के लिए है, दोज जो है दूर के नाउन के लिए है एंड प्लूरल के लिए है. तो दिस वाज द डेमोन्स्ट्रेटिव एडजेक्टिव. फिफ्थ टाइप ऑफ एडजेक्टिव इज पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव. पोजेशन का मतलब क्या होता है? अधिकार. इट इंडिकेट द पोजेशन ऑफ द नाउन टू अ पर्सन. इसकी पहचान क्या है पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव की? हिज, माई, योर, फिर माई, हर भी हो सकता है. लाइक हिज थॉट्स आर टू कॉम्प्लेक्स. किसकी थॉट्स? हिज थॉट्स. हिज जो है पोजेशन दिखा रहा है, पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव है. माई माइंड हैज स्टॉप्ड वर्किंग. माइंड का पोजेशन माई माइंड, माई माइंड है. माई जो है पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव है. योर साइकिल हैज बीन स्टॉलन. योर जो है पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव. स्टॉप मैसिंग विद माई हेयर. माई जो है पोजेसिव एडजेक्टिव है. So these were the 5 types of adjective. Let's see the 6th type of adjective. 6th type of adjective is distributive adjective. As the name suggests, it shows the distribution of noun. Examples are each, every, either, neither. ये सब distributive adjective को show करते हैं. First sentence, each student is responsible for the chaos. It is showing the distribution of students. How many students were responsible? Each student. Now see, I have told you earlier to each ho, every ho, either ho, neither ho. It always takes singular verb with it. Next is every employee was given bonus. How many employees were given bonus? Every employee. So every is the distributive adjective. Either of you can do laundry. Either का मतलब दो है, neither का मतलब भी दो है. Either positive distributive adjective है, neither negative distributive adjective है. Either of you can do laundry, दोनों में से कोई भी कर सकता है. I like neither of the pens, दोनों में से कोई भी पसंद नहीं है. So either is also distributive adjective and neither is also distributive adjective because these words are showing the distribution of noun. That's why they become distributive adjective. 7th type of adjective is interrogative adjective. As the name suggests, question mark should be there. It modifies noun when there is question about which one or what kind. First sentence, which cat is yours? It means there are many cats or the 2 cats. Which cat is yours? Whose plate was left on the table? It means many people were there. Someone has left the plate. So whose plate was left on the table? So which is interrogative adjective? Whose is also interrogative. Seventh type of adjective is interrogative adjective. It means whenever there is a question mark, it asks the questions about which one or what kind of noun is. First sentence, which cat is yours? It means there are many cats. Which cat is yours? It is asking about that question, which becomes interrogative adjective. Whose plate was left on the table? It means many people were eating. Someone has left the plate on the table. So whose plate was left? This becomes whose interrogative adjective. What time will you be arriving for dinner? What becomes interrogative adjective. So we have seen the 7 types of adjective. Difference is that इंटेरोगेटिव एडजेक्टिव भी एक टाइप है. इट कैन बी इंटेरोगेटिव नाउन ऑल्सो, इंटेरोगेटिव प्रनाउन ऑल्सो. इन द सेम वे इट कैन बी डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव नाउन ऑल्सो, डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव प्रनाउन ऑल्सो. डिफरेंस क्या है? जब इन वर्ड्स के पीछे एडजेक्टिव वर्ड का यूज हुआ है, इट मीन्स दे विल आस्क क्वेश्चंस अबाउट द क्वालिटी, क्वांटिटी और द नंबर ऑफ द एडजेक्टिव. That's why they becomes the 7 types of adjectives. So I hope you have understood well. In the next lecture, we will see the errors related to adjectives, and to solve those errors, we will continue with the rules of finding errors in the adjectives. Thanks.